What's going on, YouTube? This is Dizzy D Ski here, doing a box break of the new Just Miners mystery jerseys. Just got this box in today, and see how it goes. Seen some pretty cool stuff pulled out of here, so hopefully this one will be equally as nice. This is my first box done of this stuff. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. I think we got a Brett Lowry, Major League Baseball. Let's kind of see that there. Authenticated by Major League Baseball. Toronto Blue Jays, Brett Lowry by Sports Images, September 18th, 2011. And I believe this is an authentic jersey as well, too. So, very cool. So, Brett Lowry. And actually, I can just pull it out here real quick. That's got to be an authentic jersey. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, it's got the logo on the back. Yep, authentic collection. It's got, holy crap, yeah, it's got the hologram and everything here, so that's a very good hit. Authentic Brett Lowry on jersey autograph. So again, thanks for watching, everybody.